Hello.
Another Charlie.
You sure say you not change?
Yes, singer. Another Charlie. Another Charlie. This one another Charlie. Yo. Guy, most, you don't search.
Okay, only pray for this food. Pray for this food.
We bless this food in Jesus' name.
Amen. Guys. Join us.
I cannot wait. I feel swallow again now.
This time around, I will blast you water.
Dish.
Water. I will blast you water. You understand?
Oh, mamma mia.
Okay, I say you should say you not change this food because
Give me, serve me this thing. I can't wait anymore, man. Yes, so why you constantly give me Pomo again, this lady? Pomo again. I don't need too much of meat, oh, it's okay like that. I don't want.
So that mean you want me?
Give me the rich. Another challenge, yo. This another. What is the sweet me? I know I don't already win.
No,
I don't win tete now. Yeah. Put that one. This one will run. Yes. That one. Yeah.
Why is it?
Mamma mia. You don't
Why
set.
you trick me? Why you
Guys.
trick me?
A ball of day, yeah. Ide. Swallow day, yeah. Ide, yeah. Agbabola. Guys, if you did there, you know the eat swallow. They mean many things, man. See how if you know sabi eat swallow, come and learn from here. I will teach you. Agbabola. You don't set. Guys, you don't set again. You don't set. You know, say me not the queen come out now. Anytime I come out, I can win.
No, you're not going to win me. Not just talking.
I am the winner.
No.
Okay.
You are not the winner yet.
Now we start.
I will blast you.
Now we start. Can we start?
The blessing of my big pastor. I know. You just I share this thing well.
Guys.
You just I share this thing well.
We don't set to. This food is hot, man. This kind of food I go for good time, man. I can't wait. What do you expect? When I don't win, I'm not go happy. What do you expect? Eh?
Me take a easy.
Me I do water.
You like say na my big pastor. Na shortest be this one.
Who tell you that one? Who tell you that
I
one?
don't share this thing where at all.
Who tell you that one?
I not share.
I say make I leave all that thing. Now I know they do one. This woman will want me to draw my leg to come out. You hear me?
You just say you not share this way.
You hear me? You hear me?
Why am I the big the journal? Not the reduce.
I go blast you to. I will tell you, say man. Not be today, don't tell. This will point out. Oh, balls. Guys, get ready, view. Challenge. Bro, this soup there out. Swallow na the best food so far. When I do the test. Yeah, man.
Like say na shortage job.
Don't worry yourself. You don't take. Wait my body back.
You be like say you exchange this food or my own big pass because me and
no, you worry yourself. Don't take away women not the aggression they lose or anything. And they want to do say they fit do anything I want to. Guys, we're gonna what you want the bitches now? Me. They suit me.
you never chop the meat, eh? No, eat the meat.
That music over they sing. We'll still sing out today, girl. Guys, make una not mind me any idea. By the way the food to the enter. And the happiness we did. How many hours you want to finish this thing? Me, I don't understand though. Now every time I tell the blast you like this.
No, this one I shot it. You get what you happen.
Now every time.
I get what you happen. I will never finish now. Your meat never finish.
Now meat me gonna eat. You see the swallow. Ah, babola. As they sweet me, you go they pay them. As they sweet me, you go they pay them. As they sweet me, you go they pay them. As they. My guys,
Never finish, eh? Never finish at all.
what you see the man? You agree? You me. You me, guys. You me. You me. You know if you be now. They swallow. They swallow.
But now my big pass. This one I shot it.
I don't beat them again. What a shame. Now you go to the kitchen. Then you go prepare the food come. Then you go say the challenge. I'll still blast you. Hey! You see the pain, no? The pain, no?
Now shot it. No. We'll play this match again. We'll play. This one a trick. You trick me.
Don't put on that. When you turn to swallow, not challenge you. Let me do that.
Oh my god.
Let me do that. The Odogo of swallow is here. The Odogo of swallow.
Let us be sure.
If you did there, you say they swallow. Set challenge one day. We'll go. Move fire down. Me see the way they swallow. And I say they blast this lady, and I say they blast you. Me.
This is everybody want to blast.
Me. Not come on. Not come on. You know we are going to go to training.
Where you go to training?
You know we are going to go to training of swallow. What did this lady talk?
This one a chef, sha. As I already reach now.
Why some people go to say that they lick a bottle of soup because they have for their baby? What they go to toss that out? The bottle of soup ready to eat, huh? I blast you, Woto. You just wet.
What do you expect before?
Next time you still do challenge.
I'll do.
I'll
go to training.
I will blast you every time. Guys, look now, see where it go now.
I'm not going to lose. You know me say you win for this one. Say I'm not going to win.
I'm going to win the go.
You know me say you win for this one. Say I'm not win again.
Never put a cat up for your mouth. Nina, oh, Nina, oh, Nina. So no guy you don't win, no. Nina, so no guy you go win again, no. Nina. That's me. I sing on that way now. This is my favorite verse. No say best way they win. No, they take matter easy. I'm not singing again. Make a let her get mad. I fire round. I let the move down. I already fire round, guys. This is easy.
Now this one, what you do me today? Get
that. So,
you blast me, sha.
You deserve it. You deserve it. Yo, too much. You bring me from work. Come have daddy. You fire me down. Me, I don't ever forget that day.
You still remember? It depends you.
I want pepper me, guys. I'm not like you. Proud from work, come with my uniform to the work. I leave. I say I want to blood this one for challenge. Play this shot. You fire me. No small. Remember, I know they cry for cry that day. Nice. No problem.
Now make you don't win me how many times now? This one a shame, sha. No, I need to practice.
Practice, huh?
I don't finish my meat again. This one will be cool. I believe no time.
This
challenge, me, sha.
This challenge, I really fire you down. Finish. I finish you.
Excuse me. Guys, my husband win me one. I need to practice more.
Yes, one. Most time, before you talk about challenge, when you travel your wage, I'll do some practice, otherwise, I'll still fire you. You know,
but you know, say, what man can do it better, sha. You know, sha.
This one, you're the grace of the old man for you. I'm gonna boy you carry, you see the crowd. Oh my god.
What Mark can do it better. You know.
I never see person will do like this. We not the one. Make you do soap. Pon up bo. Pon zero. You carry, you see they say one man can do, one man can
Again,
do.
we will still play the game next time. I know me say you win me now. Say I not gonna win you next time.
Wait, no sir. Most of women they use this when they use this word, they not go anywhere. Now they.
No, guys, next time I go blast.
You are. Yeah. He enter.
I go blast you water.
You know you're talking about blasting again. 1, 2, 3. Is it not 4 now? 4. Isn't it? 4. So I don't get 4 now. I wish maybe na election. Now me I don't even need to even go cut at all. Me I don't even anybody can ask me say, how you think me? They you give me the distance straight. I mean,
you sure?
I know because the way I think we na shop.
And Peter Obi will win okay. They give
that one you see they do like say me be no win. But me I wanna straight. Right. I blast them straight. Make I wash my hand, they come back.